Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, we're gonna create a simple setup. I call it a color therapy monkey. It's basically kind of procedural setup you can create using Sverchok add-on. Um, and the idea is to just use like a monkey head and then use the vector normals to generate random colors that will emit the scene. So we will be using Blender cycles for this, and I'm gonna save this real quick. Sverchok color therapy monkey. So we're gonna be using Suzanne, the monkey head. So Suzanne, and we're gonna save this. Call this color therapy. And with Suzanne head, if we want to display it in 3D as a real object, we're gonna use viewer vmesh. So we got the monkey head here. If you want more resolutions, we can use modifier, just add subdivision surface. We can actually smooth shade this guy. So this is pretty good, and we can give the color now. If we actually have this guy selected and then click on with the cycles render already set, if we click on the material, we're gonna get cycles material that will actually take vertex color from Sverchok SV call. You can see here, and we're gonna kind of light the scene. So if we have like just a floor, place it there. If we render this now, we're gonna get this. Nothing is being emitted because this guy is a diffuse. We want to change this to emission, and now we can see, okay, it's still not doing anything because currently it's looking at this SV color and we are not giving it anything yet. So we need to use a vertex color, get our objects, maybe bring our objects up. Okay, and this color should be coloring our objects. If not, maybe because we need to change this to RGB. RGBA, let me try. So currently it's giving us that. Maybe we need to turn off the light here. Make the environment to be completely black. So we get these results. That's not what I want. Oh, because of this RGBA. Okay, we need to change this to take RGB. So we need to give RGB color. And now it's starting to work. But instead of giving it a single color, we want to use a color from the vector. So use a vertex normal, get the monkey vertex color, and then here we can use vector noise. So I use these tricks a couple of times, but I think this is kind of interesting to try again and again. So by randomizing the seed, we're gonna get a different color. And if you want the color to be a little bit like a smoother, you can actually just move it. So Suzanne and vertex before the vertex normal or after the vertex normal, doesn't matter, maybe before, we can move the vector so that we're gonna get a different result. Let's see, I think I made a mistake. I need to move it after. Oh, for example, I need to plug this in. And there we go. That's a quick trick to create this, I call it color therapy, because the color is continuously being generated on the fly, and this is like giving you all this kind of interesting color. You can actually run this or maybe render this out Currently it's still too fast. Try change this. Maybe stop it. Maybe I need to put the move back there. So this guy goes in there, goes into this guy, plug into the color. So now if you run the simulations, well, that's interesting. I think this should be at the back. So this guy gets vertex normal, and then vertex normal goes into the move, plug into this guy, plug in there. Maybe, oh, I need to change, instead of add, I need to just change the multiplier here at the back. There you go. It's a little bit better. Multiply this by 0.1 or 0.04. Now it's kind of changing smoothly, right? If you put this in the dark room, you're gonna get this very nice ambient changing color from your monitor. I think it's pretty cool. Imagine if we can create like a 3D monkey light in real life, maybe rendered it's emitting like LED color. This is gonna be really cool, I guess. So there you go. That's a quick look at how you can create a color therapy monkey light using Sverchok add-on and Blender. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.